Hey, how's it going? Jeffery Curtis here, and I just wanted to come on and do an update. We'll look at my progress for monetization. Not very good right now, but I do have some announcements to make. I'm taking a year off. All right, I think I'm just going to take a year off. My last day on my regular job was last Friday, and I have some health things I have to take care of, and you can look at the transformation channel for that. Follow me there. Also, I'm going to be doing some work with my music channel and some other stuff. You can follow me at Jeffery Curtis Music, my channel there. And then also on the transformation channel, we're going to be going around and visiting some areas and stuff. I've been watching this girl, pretty inspiring how she lived out of a van and stuff. It's pretty cool. For the music channel, I'm upgrading my Mac Pro. I'm having some trouble. I might end up purchasing. I'm kind of leaning towards a M2 Ultra Studio Mac over my Mac Pro, because I just keep on having problems. But so that's what's up there. As far as this channel goes, which is Jeffery Curtis, and this one is the educational and the Pulse and the monetization channel, I'm pretty excited about that. This is just the first update, so we'll be making an update every week about monetization, and the goal is to get monetized within this year. Right, actually within the next 6 months is the goal, to get fully monetized on all three of my channels, really, in the next 6 months. So for the next year, I'll be working on my body and stuff, but monetizing, and then coming up, I'm making the script for my very first Pulse video, so be on the lookout for that. And that is planetary space travel stuff and space update. I don't know if it's going to work. I sort of am interested in a lot of that stuff, so I thought maybe I would just take a look at it. So we'll be doing that on this channel, and then the music and the production stuff, and online gaming, some online gaming and stuff on the Jeffery Curtis Music channel. And then for food and health and body transformation, but traveling will all be on the transformation channel. So I'm looking forward to that. So it looks pretty good. And so update here, just to go through this real quick. Well, here, let me switch over. Okay, so here is the Jeffery Curtis Music channel, and as you can tell, although I do have still 1,130 views in the last 28 days, which is pretty good, mind you. I had the last two videos. This one was got 205 views as a short, not very many. And then what was my last video? No, that's not it. It's not even ranking. My very last video. I'll look at it under content, and just to see what we got. 45 views, and that was just the other day. Where am I at on this channel when it comes to monetization? Looks like I'm at less than 1,000 subscribers still. I'm up to 680 though. That's pretty good. And valid watch hours at 739 out of 4,000. That's not good at all. We'll be addressing all that stuff. I'm working with ChatGPT, and I have some things that I'm doing, lots of conversations, as you can see. But the one that I got a YouTube monetization plan right there, and so I'm looking forward to using that. Oh yeah, I also have this channel. If you like the Word of God, this is Jeffery Morse Ministries. Lots of preaching right there. So let's look at the next one real quick. This is the transformation channel. Only 202 views in the last 28 days. Not very many. All these have dropped really bad because I haven't been working on them, right? And the last thing I did, the best performing is this one here, and then my latest content was this Traveler's Secret Healthy Snack one, which got actually 556 views. That's not so bad. And so that 11 likes out of that one. That's not bad. So we had the Celtic Salt one. That was the last thing I did a long time ago now. And that got 30 views, 2 likes. And then where am I at for earning on this? Way down. Right? Just way down. We got a long ways to go on that one. And so that's where that one is at. Okay, for the Jeffery Curtis channel, which has the Pulse, and the Pulse intro video was the last thing I did here, and it got 19 views. And we can see it, not a lot of stuff, but only 38 views in the last 28 days, really not doing well. This is the oldest channel I have. It was actually created, I think, in 2006 or 2007. And let's see where we at as far as earning goes. Well, I didn't know why we even look at that. Way down. And so that's where we're going there. And it's going to be an exciting year for me. I'm believing for a lot of great things, and I hope that you'll follow and watch and cheer me on. And of course, my goal is to get all the channels monetized, but also more than that, to enjoy, right? To break into this type of lifestyle to where I have a little bit more freedom and the money that I need. If you don't know, I've also stepped down from pastoring. I was associate pastor the last 6 years, and I stepped down from that as well. And now I'm working on building a church in the small town that I'm in, and working on the farm that I'm at, and working on my YouTube channels. And I have a digital offering coming up, so that that'll be over the Jeffery Curtis Music channel, YouTube channel. And so all that stuff. So it's an exciting thing, and stick around. I think it's going to work. I believe it's going to work. I'm looking forward to it all. If you want to know how it's going for my body transformation stuff and the health stuff, please follow and like on the Transformation channel, And then if you're interested in DIY or in any kind of music or gaming that I do, you can check me out on Jeffery Curtis Music channel, and that's probably the one that's closest, as you can see. And then this one, the oldest channel that I have, we're going to be tracking the monetization journey and starting the new Pulse thing, see how it goes, and we'll go from there. All right, don't forget to like, follow, and check up on me. Please partner with me in any way that you can. All right, see you later.